E-commerce store owners, artists with music streaming platforms, Apple Music, Spotify, and whatnot, YouTube channels, right? One thing that's important for us to have growth in all of those areas that we're working with is understanding how to read our data, right? Understanding our analytics so we can have more information to work with to come up with better strategies on how we should operate our business, right? If that's with e-commerce, what are the type of marketing things we can do with that? If that's music streaming data, what type of information and things and strategies we can make with the music streaming data and things of that nature. And if we're looking at a YouTube channel, how we could take the analytics and data from that YouTube channel, come up with strategies to help us, whether that be grow subscribers, or have more views and whatnot. So let's get into that. So here, as you can see, so we're gonna start with this Shopify store that I made for a friend of mine. It's called Brain Food. So it's called Brain Food. It's a clothing brand, brainfood.com. Simple store. You see, you got the logo here, clothing brand, Brain Food. So as you see, simple website, right? Started this about 90 days ago. So this individual still incarcerated, reached out to me, had me make him a website. So in the last 90 days, the store has earned $494.50 in sales, right? So we got total sales here, online store sessions, right? Conversion rates, average order. So we can look at this data. This is analytics that we have about this store, about this website, how it's doing, how it's performing. So how can we take this data, utilize ChatGPT and those types of platforms to analyze this data, right? Teach us things we need to know about this data, like terms. What are these terms used for? How do we optimize and just improve our overall store? So let's jump right into that. We're gonna go use example average order value, right? So I'm gonna go here, export it, get the CSV files, come over here to ChatGPT. So boom, so we're gonna throw this in here. So boom, now we're moving to the prompt stage, right? So we put the CSV spreadsheet into ChatGPT as a file, right? And so now we're gonna ask it to help us to break down this information. So you're a digital marketing expert analysis. The data, analyze this data, give me definitions and strategies to increase average order value. So we want to understand the definitions, how this is gonna work, break down this information, boom. So let's hit here, analyzing. So data set, see, right? So you got key terms here, gross sales, discounts, orders, average order value. This is calculated by dividing the total revenue by the number of orders. It measures the average amount spent by customers per day. So this is valuable information. So strategies to increase, right? Upselling, cross-selling. Upselling, encourage customers to purchase higher end products. Cross-selling, right? Bundle products, volume discounts, loyalty programs, free shipping thresholds, limited time offers, right? So product recommendations, enhanced product descriptions, personalized marketing, customer education. So a bunch of different strategies on how you can improve your overall information. So just a little bit further, we're going to move into the next one, the store, right? So now we're going to ask for some apps to help us improve upselling, right? To increase that order value. Recommended higher end products, display related products, offer bundle deals, right? Interesting. Leverage customer reviews. See, so here are some valuable information here. Shopify apps for upselling, bold, upsell, reconvert. So again, you see frequently bought together. So now it's provided us with ways and a solution to this problem, right? Using ChatGPT that quick to where we can exercise and potentially grow our sales, right? So that's one way that you could use it for analyzing data for Shopify stores.